The Graco TriRide Car Seat is designed to grow with your child, offering multiple seating modes from rear-facing to forward-facing and booster. For proper safety, the shoulder straps must sit at the correct height and fit snugly against your child's shoulders. Adjusting the harness straps ensures the seat provides the protection it was designed for during travel. Fortunately, the TriRide includes a simple, no rethread harness system that allows you to reposition the straps quickly. And try these. Step 1. Place the car seat on a stable surface and loosen the harness by pressing the harness release button and pulling the shoulder straps forward. Step 2. Locate the headrest adjustment handle at the top of the seat. Step 3. Pull the handle upward and slide the headrest up or down to move the shoulder straps to the correct height. Step 4. Release the handle once the straps align properly with your child's shoulders according to the seating mode. Step 5. Place your child in the seat and tighten the harness by pulling the adjustment strap until the straps fit snugly and securely.